And we're back again, back in the garage with only one light source. Actually two, we got the ring light over there, but we're back. Today's gonna be more so of like a whatever kind of day. I've actually been driving these cars quite often, but there is some things that we do have to address. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance, and I say this all the time. The dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them, and more importantly, have fun with them because we're located here in Hawaii. So if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. Now first off, the other day I did kind of troll you guys on my Instagram. So if you guys been following my Instagram, you guys saw that one post where I said that I'm gonna be selling the 370Z Nismo wheels, and the amount, how do I say it? The amount of like responses that I've been getting from that post, so many people hit me up because they really want to get the Nismo wheels. But I did a follow-up story after posting these on sale, and I said that you have to buy the car. So should we just say it now? Yeah, I'm gonna say it now. We are gonna be selling the 370Z on one condition, and that one condition is just to upgrade, or is it an upgrade? I would just say it's an upgrade. It would be an upgrade to the fleet of cars that we have. I mean, I say fleet because come on guys, Widebody Gtr Nissan 370Z, but I kind of have a little more spice that I want to add to the garage. And I know a lot of people have been asking me what is going to be next for the GTR R35. And to be honest guys, what's gonna be next is we're just gonna be driving this car. We're gonna have so much fun with this car. I really love the way it drives. I love the way it sounds. I don't have ethanol in the car right now, but just running on pump gas, it's super fun car to drive. And I just love this car. But I am gonna tell you guys this. I'm still holding on to that dream of bringing the GTR R35 wide body to SEMA. Now, we weren't able to do it this year, and hopefully maybe we can do it next year, if not do it the next year after that. So this car, I'm saying this right now, this car is going to stay, on the exception that if the opportunity of a lifetime, and if you guys been following me, you guys know what I'm talking about, but if an opportunity of a lifetime appears where we can get another car in place of this, you guys already know what car it's gonna be. If you guys don't know, take a guess, watch my old videos. But yeah, with that being said, with SEMA, I am actually going to be going up to Las Vegas next week. Oh, is it next week already? Yeah, hopefully by the time I upload this video, it'll already be the week of SEMA. But anyways, I am going to be going to SEMA. I'm not bringing the car there, but I'm going to be going to SEMA. Rhea's going to be there with me. It's going to be our first time. I really don't know what to expect, but I just want to have fun. I know there's going to be so many crazy cars along the strip, everything. So I'm literally going to have my camera with me the whole time we're in Las Vegas. I'm going to have my fun. I'm going to do a little bit of gambling. I'm going to do a little bit of eating. I do want to go to Bacchanal Hell's Kitchen, that's for sure. But partially, or actually majority, is going to be for business purposes, and we're going to be doing some automotive content in Vegas, since I wasn't really able to do much the first time I was in Vegas, because the first time I was in Vegas, that was my first time there, so I wanted my fun. But yeah, I'm really excited, if you can't tell. And on one more note of SEMA, this car is gonna enter SEMA Young Guns next year. And with all of that being said, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, again, please make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like for today's video. And now let's go for a drive. But which car should we take? But on a side note, we did break 27,000 miles finally, and the cost of gas is $4.72, guys. Oh my goodness, Hawaii is turning into California pretty soon. All right, I'm gonna say this and I'm just gonna address this now. I don't know how I feel about this. So I was putting gas, there's these two guys in their lifted Yodas, and they come up to me, they're like, "Oh uncle, nice car." I'm like, I'm still in shock right now. Like, these guys call me uncle. I'm like, bro, I'm pretty sure I'm younger than you guys, or I'm at like same age as you guys, and they're calling me uncle. I'm literally appalled. I'm 24. Am I that old? Do I look that old to you guys? All right, let's see if I can get some good sound clips of the blow-off valve. Oh, again. Oh my god. Let's see if it sounds a little bit better under here. Oh. Oh, if you're in the market for an R35 right now, good luck, because prices like the R34, it's not gonna be super high. but substantially, prices are appreciating. So you know what that means? Get it while you can. I swear, man, I think I'm at this shopping center way too often. I'm here at least 2 or 3 times a week. Who's eating Filipino food in a GTR? You know, dang right, it's probably me. Some of you guys that's been watching the videos, you guys know that I've been losing weight. If you're a local boy like me, you gotta have plate lunch. And you know, if you're Filipino, you can't give up Filipino food. I'm not a health professional, but I'm just gonna say this. If you guys are trying to lose weight, just eat the same foods, but less. And be just a little more health conscious. And of course, work out. Now that we have the time, I think it's finally time to take this car where one of my first videos were. Well, this was just an unexpected turn of events. It's traffic. It's Saturday afternoon, and it's traffic. It's never traffic in Hawaii on a Saturday afternoon. Look at that, monkey see, monkey do. This whole side is clear because everyone's gonna take the exit. But at least there's one thing that's for certain, and that is gonna be oh, I love this car so much. I promise you guys, this was not part of today's plan, but it's literally just traffic everywhere right now. While we sit in this traffic, I just want to tell you guys, I hope you guys have a good day today. Yeah, I don't know why it's like this, but if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and hopefully we can get out of this traffic really soon. To be honest, the parking lot that we're going to, I don't even know if they're completely open, but only one way to find out. And the moment of truth. Oh man, my spot is closed. Well, we took another L. I really wanted to take you guys there. Like, just the view from that parking lot, priceless. It's just priceless. Now I know this spot is always windy, but man, guys, just look at the car now. Oh my goodness, I really think that fitment, that's pretty good fitment for a 345 rear. We're talking 345, guys, with the body almost on the ground in that super silver. It's probably the best color for a GTR, and the way that the body lines are angled against the sun, oh my god. After attempting to try and take some photos of this car, take some B-rolls, my face is literally like salty now from all of this salt water here. But nonetheless, other than the car being very, very dirty, I tried to hide it as much as possible. Not really, but just having this car here, oh my god, guys. Like, nothing excites me more than driving this car right now. And just having the sunshine on the nice carbon fiber hood from Saibon, oh my goodness. I just love this car, man. All right. One more time. Love this car. Now I know this car is miles per gallon, but for anybody that cares, we're sitting at about 15 mpgs average now. And we're back home. Got the car sitting out here. Nismo's here. This is gonna come out soon, but first, since we have some time, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of detailing. Now, the part that gets dirtiest the most is right here in the fins. Literally look at that. Look at how much dirt that, I don't mean to stick finger at you guys, but honestly, just look at how dirty all of that is. Oh my goodness. Row your boat gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life's fun with a Z. First mod that we're gonna do on the 370Z Nismo is gonna be an exhaust. I promise you guys that. That's like the #1 thing we have to do, because we have to change that vacuum sounding exhaust, man. It's funny how this day has come full circle, because we're back at the same gas pump that we were at earlier today. Did the gas price change? I highly doubt it. And on our way to work, check this out, guys. Wow, such oldies, but damn, these things look so freaking nuts. Damn, look at the rear tires on this thing. Oh my god. With the oh bro, that is sick, man. Well, I think this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for following along in today's vlog. I know today was just all over the place. If you guys had fun, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the post notifications. I'll post videos every Tuesday, and if I have extra videos, I'll post extra videos throughout the week. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. Stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.